Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be the grand finale for this evening. My name's Tomas Awdry, and I'm talking about applying motivational psychology to fitness technology. It's a collaborative effort between Aberystwyth University's Sport and Exercise Science Department and Aberystwyth-based video game and software development company Broadsword. We're working to apply motivational psychology principles to their video boxing game, exercise game, World Boxing, to try and increase physical participation and exercise in people. So this will move on in a second. So far, so good. First study was study one, an mass online survey. We are looking at what is satisfying in video game and exercise, in satisfying psychological innate needs. This graph here shows what the take-home message is that they are essentially the same. So we're bridging the gap between video game and exercise because this does cover both mediums. We found that 4 primary needs were competence, autonomy, relatedness, and self-esteem, and we've applied that to the product. So what am I up to now? Study 2. Can we identify physiological markers as identifiers of enjoyment and motivation? So what we've done is taken saliva samples during different conditions, playing with, against, or without someone in this exercise game, and tested levels of testosterone and alpha amylase to see if they correlated to various questionnaire responses they completed after taking part in those conditions, to see whether or not they were predictors of enjoyment or high levels of motivation. So what's next, Tom, you might ask? To go where no psychologist has gone before, the physiology lab, to analyze my saliva. Lots of networking. KESS gave me the opportunity to go to San Francisco to do the game development conference, where I met lots of people who are interested in this, and Broadsword's actually changing the way we look at video game development, so that will be the next step as well. And obviously there will be, unfortunately, lots of writing to do, and I'll be falling asleep. So working with Broadsword has been an absolutely immense pleasure. I was involved with the initial product design and product testing of the World Boxing sensors. Broadsword are located just next door to Aberystwyth University at Aberystwyth Science Park. David Rowe was my first point of contact. He's the passion behind it. He's an artist there at Broadsword, and he's been a real great help. Ken Bird was maybe the brains behind the operation. I would refer to him as the money man, perhaps. Very good at managing everyone's expectations about the project. But you might ask, Tom, why does this all matter? Do you just play boxing all day on a video game? Well, yeah, sort of, but actually I informed the product design with my research, so what I've done is changed the multiplayer interaction, various feedback intervals to enhance motivation. A multidisciplinary approach. We've got physiology, psychology, and applying these principles to video games and exercise. Potential spin-out applications of exercise and fitness technology, increasing participation. We're addressing the obesity issue that has been raised today as well, getting people active, and obviously Broadsword get to make some money. So thank you very much. My name is Tomas Awdry.